Meaning of dividend.
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 Dividend. A dividend is a payment made by a corporation or company to its shareholders. It is a portion of the profits that is distributed among the owners of the company as a way to share the company's financial success. Dividends are usually paid out regularly, such as quarterly or annually. The amount of the dividend is determined by the company's board of directors and is typically based on the company's earnings and financial performance. Receiving dividends is one way that shareholders can earn a return on their investment in the company.